Good evening, sir. How students are selected for IIT, sir?
IIT means if you want to go IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, what is the exam? What is the first right now discussed mains? JEE mains is the first prelims exam. After qualifying JEE mains top 2,50,000, they are based on that rank, top 2,50,000 students, they will select. They will eligible to write JEE advanced test. JEE advanced test, again you have a criteria based on ranking criteria, you will go. Based on merit only. Merit and reservation also here very, very important. Reservation in case 2,50,000 in cases or in case if you are the general category student. Sir, I got 2,50,000, shall I eligible for JEE advanced? No. Because in case if you general category, you have a 40.5% of reservation. Means open 40, general means no reservation, 40.5. Remaining 49.5. What is the percentage? That is in remaining categories, PWT, like OBC, like that categories. Okay, if you as a general category, if you want to write in JEE advanced exam, means you should below 1 lakh rank.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. Is solve 10-year questions are enough for NEET?
You mean repeated questions? See, for example, if you are talking about all the 10 years questions, if you are trying to solve, you can crack NEET. That's a question, right? See, it's possible 10 years questions are enough to crack NEET, but it doesn't mean that you are only going to solve 10 years questions alone. You have to be pretty sure that you are thorough with the concepts. You have to be clear with all the concepts. Even if you are talking about biology, chemistry, physics, if you are thorough with concepts, then 10 years, all the questions are enough for cracking NEET. But first you have to do one thing that, after every chapter you have to practice all the MCQs, which is related to that chapter. Then you will get proper idea that how questions are framed, how they are asking questions, all these idea you will be getting. So for that, it's very easy for you to crack NEET.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
Good
So
evening.
what are the courses for IIT?
What are the courses offered in IIT? IIT courses offered BTech, 4 years BTech, dual degree, already I discussed dual degree, 5 years dual degree, BTech plus MTech. Like MSc Physics, MSc Chemistry also is there, MSc Maths also is there. BSc plus MSc dual degree also is there. MSc plus PhD degree also is there. Right now, newly introduced Maths and Computing, BTech Maths and Computing. Last year onwards introduced. That is only you will study in that BTech Maths and Computing. Purely Maths and Computing. That is equal to BTech CSC course.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir. Is there any diploma students can apply for NEET or IIT?
Yeah, diploma students also can apply for JEE Main. See to that they subject at least physics, chemistry and mathematics as a major subject they have to study. So
Okay,
they
sir.
can apply.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir. How many seats are available in NIT?
National Institute of Technologies. Around 23,000 seats available in NITs. Like that we have a triple ITs also. Indian Institute of Information Technologies, around 4,000 seats is there. Okay, like IITs also we have 6,057 seats is there. Indian Institute of Technologies, 6,057. Indian Institute of Information Technologies, triple ITs. Triple ITs we have a 4,000 seats is there overall. Information technology means you can understand. Only computer science.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, are most questions from NEET are repeated?
No, it's not mandatory that all the questions should be repeated. But you can expect 1 or 2 questions, repeated questions. That is also may or may not. It's every year, similar question can be asked. It's not like it's repeated questions are going to be asked. So when we prepare, we can use all the questions to track it, but I cannot say you that repeated questions will be present. One or two, or sometimes there won't be any repeated questions.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir. Sir, can you please give us some tips for cracking JEE in the very first attempt?
Very first attempt. Okay. It's a very nice question here, actually here. So, if you want to crack IIT or else NEET or NIT, the first attempt, first of all, you should have your own study plan and notes for each and every chapter. And every subject is a mandatory to understand, and you have to understand the skills you have to apply while solving the questions. And proper guidelines by the teachers, and many institutes are giving the many guidelines to the students to crack the first attempt itself IIT or NEET. And especially if you want to crack the first attempt itself, you should have some basic and as well as foundation knowledge, all those things. No sir, directly I can crack after joining in class 11th and 12th immediately means, first of all, study plan and proper reference material and proper guidelines from the teacher. These all the things will make you to crack either it is IIT or NIT or NEET, any examinations. Are you clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.